Hey there viewers, you're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best tactical survival gear and gadgets that are on the market. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these gadgets, feel free to check out the links in the video description. And lastly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The first gadget that we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the Real Avid 37-in-1 Gun Multitool. Next up at number 4 on our list, we've got the 511 Tactical Assault Black Backpack. The next gadget that we're going to show you guys today, coming in at number 3 on our list, we've got the Vortex Optics Razor HD 4000 Laser Rangefinder. The next gadget we've got for you guys, coming in at number 2 on our list, we've got the expensive Trijicon Teo Reap IR Mini Thermal Scope. And last but not least, at number 1 on our list, we've got the Garmin Fenix 6X Sapphire Multisport GPS Watch. Alright viewers, so now that we're at the end of the video, let us know in the comments section which tactical survival gear you think you would like the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos that are just like this one.